Here along the St. Joe River, we have an incredible opportunity. Alongside the services provided by Portage Township, we envision the Riverside Community Center, an accessible place where community members can gather, celebrate, and connect, especially regular folks who don't have a lot of resources. But we wanted to hear what you had to say about it first.
In November of 2024, J2 Marketing conducted an independent survey of the community that showed strong support for a community center here in Portage Township. What was interesting to us as a research team was that the data showed that across all demographics, regardless of income level or location, there was significant support for a new community center. The response to the survey was significant. Nearly 427 people completed our survey. And from the beginning, it showed strong community backing. Nearly a 2-to-1 ratio of people from across all of Portage Township gave their support to this project. What was even more encouraging was that regardless of the response to the project, nearly 77% of the people who completed the survey envisioned themselves using the community center at least a few times each year. The survey showed that people see this as an investment in the downtown area. 64% of the people said that it will attract more people downtown. Nearly half of respondents saw this as a positive, something that was available to all residents within Portage Township. What was interesting in the survey was to see the various ways that residents in Portage Township could see themselves using the community center. One of the top ways was for classes or workshops to be held there. 47% said they could see themselves using it for cooking or nutrition. 46% saw themselves using it potentially for a fitness or wellness, and 45% said they could see themselves going there for arts or crafts. We did hear some concerns in the data that we received. Nearly 58% of respondents were worried that there would be an increased cost to taxpayers. 31% of respondents were worried that it wouldn't get used enough, and 26% of the people who responded thought that it might be unfair competition to existing venues. What's interesting to note is that even among those who expressed concerns regarding the community center, many still see potential value in such a venue. The survey showed that people saw this community center as something available to all residents across Portage Township. As we analyzed the research, one of the things that was consistent across all the data was that the affordability and the accessibility of a community center for all Portage Township residents was seen as important, attractive, and something that would be used often.
Will it cost taxpayers?
Yeah, I totally understand this one. Nobody likes the idea of paying more taxes and times are rough, but the good news is this is not expected to be an increased cost to taxpayers. The maintenance cost for the community center will be absorbed by the township's current budget. Also, due to the property tax caps, the vast majority of residents are already paying their maximum property taxes.
Will it be used enough?
Based on the results of this needs assessment, the community says that it will be. We've already been fielding requests from individuals and organizations that are really excited about the possibility of using the community space that we're providing here, but also this space is going to be part of the township's overall operations, so it's not expected to spend much time empty.
Will it compete with existing venues?
We don't expect that that will be an issue. This space is not going to be as big as some of the other local event spaces. Also, the community center is going to be focused on low and middle income families, and that's a population that's not usually served by the for-profit sector. The data points to the opposite actually occurring. We expect that this is going to draw more people downtown, which is always a good thing. What really stands out in these findings is how this center will enhance the downtown experience. We already know that about 75% of people come downtown for dining, and about another 50% come downtown for socializing with friends and family. The community has been clear about what features matter to them most. Ample parking, good technology, a catering kitchen, security. Those are all factors that are going to go into the planning of this community center. We're listening to community input about making this space affordable and accessible through a tiered rate system that offers discounts to local residents. We're proud to be working towards creating a stronger community by providing opportunity, support, and engagement for everyone. This project will do just that and help build a stronger South Bend.